Here is how you can make iPhone pictures zoom out. So if I go to my gallery and let's say I click on this image, and if you suspect that it has been edited to make it zoom in, what you can do is to click on the edit button while it's open and either revert it, so click on revert in the top right corner to make it come back to the normal state, or when you click on a crop, you'll be able to zoom it back out if anything has happened to it. If the photo was edited before, you can make it come back to the original state. So that's how you can do this, and just hit done to make it come back, right? However, if you want to make it zoom out a bit further, right, if you want to expand the image, well, there is a feature which is called AI expand, where you can use any of your chatbots really, and you can upload the picture in there and tell it to expand it. And I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I guess you would get the job done, meaning that it would create artificially some areas, or even expand the areas around the image in there. So if I quickly show it to you, you can kind of give it a try and make it do its thing, and kind of give it the outside of this frame, right? So the photo is kind of limited, but after it runs through, it would probably make it even go outside of the frame and kind of zoom it out, if that's what you are looking for. As I said, not the biggest fan of it, but I guess you would get the job done if we wanted to. So as you can see, he kind of zoomed it out a little bit, so I guess you could go further and so on, but you get my point. That's the AI way to make that happen. But that is essentially it for me. Let me know what you think below, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.